Hey there, LinkedIn. Josh Noble from Blue Prism here. I want to recap a couple things last week. Big thanks to Dan Conley, Brandon, Peter, Anna for joining me for the Life Sciences webinar. If you haven't had a chance to check that out or the recording out for that, we covered deploying RPA within highly regulated environments like GXP within Life Sciences, socialization that needs to go on to promote that across the organization, and then some differences between rolling out RPA versus probabilistic cognitive sort of solutions. And then on Friday, for the healthcare webinar, I want to thank everybody. There was over 100 of you that tried to join the live session at the beginning. We did have some connection issues, so I did try and go through the opening of that, but ultimately weren't able to get Rich on the call for the full panel. Now, we did jump between, I think, 4 different meeting applications. We were finally able to get that recorded for you. So if you haven't, if you're interested still, hope you are, you can check that out. I'll put the links down below this so you can see the full recording. And then other news in the healthcare space last week, very, very cool at Microsoft Ignites Partner Conference. Judson Althoff showcased what Blue Prism Cloud is doing with the East Suffolk and North Essex NHS trusts around COVID-19 antibody testing. So he demoed Microsoft Azure, Microsoft Forms, Microsoft Bookings as it's pairing with BP Cloud to do prioritization and scheduling of over 20,000 COVID-19 antibody tests within just the first 4 weeks that it's live. I think the stats are something about 120,000 tests now across the NHS broadly at this point. Also, if you're interested in that content to dive a bit deeper, check out Blue Prism World Online. You can still access that content for another couple weeks. Darren Atkins, the CTO over the NHS that was working on those engagements, has a whole session on BP World Online. And if you're in there, might as well check out Patrick Shepard and I did a BP World virtual session on healthcare. So if you're looking for more content, check that out while you're there. Also want to call out 2 really cool community members. So Devneet Mohante was brushing up on his RPA skills last week, and he built 3 interesting demos. One was in Blue Prism, one was in UiPath, and one was in Automation Anywhere. And for his Blue Prism demo, he chose to debunk a little bit of a myth around Blue Prism in the area of attended automation. So he built a demo using Blue Prism on desktop for attended automation around yearly performance reporting. So make sure to check out his demo builds on that. And then also Thanatos Sharitha, I apologize if I butchered that, from Zygen. He actually translated one of my articles on, oddly enough, at the same time, the topic of attended automation. He translated that into Thai, which was very, very cool. I have quite literally published a book, and I don't think anybody's ever translated anything that I've ever written into another language. So thanks to those guys for that. Then finally, what to check out this week? Well, how about a panel around career opportunities in intelligent automation? So on August 13th, on Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, Sophie Rollins, Women in RPA founder, Blue Prism employee, is hosting a panel with Darren Edgar from WorkFusion, Elisa Linger from Natura, and Elizabeth Ajahi. No, I butchered that one. I'm sorry. From PwC, they're hosting a panel specifically on, again, career opportunities in intelligent automation under the Women in RPA forum. So make sure to check that out. Thanks for listening. Good luck this week.